Hello Hooktubers! Today project is converting this DVD marker into shocking device that gives over 200 volts DC voltage and is extremely dangerous. Let's make it. For making this shocking marker, first of all you will need to find all camera that have built-in flash that works on 1.5 volts or AA or AAA battery. After removing the circuit board, also you need the biggest marker you can find on market. So we can put everything inside: alkaline AAA battery, small takt switch and short solid copper wires. Because the circuit board is too big, we need only the transformer, resistor, the diode and transistor. The rest we're gonna cut off and make the board smaller so it can fit into the marker. I shrink the board to the max and solder some wires, attach the battery and capacitor so I can check that it's working before I place everything inside the marker. On top cap of the marker that I cut off, I drill small hole for placing the takt switch with soldered wires. The contact tip is made from small wooden piece and two solid isolated copper wires. On that wires solder the high voltage capacitor, but first discharge it if you don't want to be shocked. Above the capacitor, we're gonna glue the AAA battery. Now very gentle, put the capacitor and battery into the marker and solder the wires to the circuit board and takt switch. The shock marker is finished now, and let's see how it works. Once again, to remind you that this device is dangerous, and if you make it, be extra careful, because as you can see, it gives over 200 volts DC voltage and can be painful. Please share and like this project, and if you don't want to miss new video, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.